Hello everyone, this is the progress video for a CS359 lab project on a peer-to-peer file transfer system. This project is created by me, Som Pratap Singh, roll number 2201 AI35, and my teammate Ansh Kutela, roll number 2201 AI07. We have designed the system to allow users to securely share files over a LAN network with a simple interface. Our tech stack includes React.js for the front end with Node.js, Express.js, and Socket.io for the backend, and MongoDB for managing user and file data. Let me give you a quick overview. In a file sharing application, users can register and log in to the Access the dashboard, which offers two main options: upload file to share files with other users, and view shared files to see files that were shared with them. For this demonstration, I will register a third user and show file sharing from the perspective of both the sender and the recipient. I will also explain the privacy feature in a view shared files section and mention the search functionality. I have already registered two users, test1 and test2. Now I will register a third user called test3. To do this, I will go to the registration page. Now I will enter test3 as the username, set a password and click register. Now that user test3 is successfully registered, we have three users in our system: test1, test2 and test3. I will log in as test1 in one browser window to demonstrate file sharing, and in another browser window I will log in as test2 to show the recipient's perspective. I will keep both windows side by side so that you can see both views. Now that I am logged in as test1 in the first window, let's take a look at the dashboard. We have two main options here: upload file and view shared files. I will start with upload file to share a file with both test2 and test3. In the upload file page, I will select a file from my local system to share. I will add a description and a category. Now in the recipient field, I will enter the usernames test2 and test3 as comma separated values. Now when I will click the upload, the file will be successfully shared with test2 and test3. Now I will demonstrate how it appears on each user's view. First, let's click the view shared section from the perspective of test1. Here we can see that the file was shared by test1 with test2 and test3 along with the timestamps showing when the file was shared. Now let's view for test2 the recipient. In the other browser window, I have logged in as test2. Now when test2 goes to the view shared file section, he can see that the file was shared by test1 along with the timestamp and an option to download the file. As you can see, the file is downloaded. To maintain privacy, test2 cannot see that test1 also shared this file with test3. This privacy feature ensures that each user only sees what's relevant to them. In the view shared file section, we have also added a search functionality which allows users to search for specific files based on their name, description or type. This can be helpful for quickly locating specific shared files without having to scroll through the entire list. In summary, a peer-to-peer file transfer system provides a secure and privacy-focused way for users to share files over a LAN network. We have implemented registration, multi-user file sharing, a privacy feature for shared files, and a search functionality, all using React for the front-end, Node.js, Express.js, and Socket.io, and MongoDB for the backend. Thanks for watching a demonstration of this peer-to-peer file transfer system.